Welcome to the Send Email to Confluence add-on. This will be a short demonstration of configuration and simple usage. Here is the configuration page. It's accessible once you install the plugin via the Send Email to Page Admin icon down here. We have three tabs: Email Server Configuration, Options for how to handle the email, and Licensing. First of all, we want to configure our server. There are some helpful controls to do this at the bottom. When we change things, we can click the Update Config button to save them permanently. If we hit the Test Configuration button, it will attempt to connect to the email server. If it is successful, then you will get this message. However, if it is unsuccessful, for instance, if we put a username that doesn't exist, you will get an error message. And lastly, if we click the Check Email button, it will go out and check the server for email, creating pages. You don't get any feedback currently. Additionally, this email check happens on a scheduled cron job of 5 minutes. This is the page where you can configure email handling options. Currently, I have a number of things planned, and I've created the controls for those. These are below the blue informational box. If you see something that you want to vote on, you can simply click Vote for this feature. Templates, email whitelists, command tags are all in the works. But these two controls are implemented. You can say which page you want your emails to be created as content under. You can select to, by default, create a blog. There's other ways to control this. If nothing is entered here, then the plugin will cleverly go and determine the home page of your default space and create new content as child pages there. So we'll go ahead and leave this as is. You can save this. And lastly, licensing. You'll get licensing information here. If you click Update Licensing, I have the UPM 2.2.2 installed. So it says we don't manage this here now. But if you have a different version of Confluence prior to a recent version of the UPM installed, you will see all controls here. And now for a very simple demonstration, I've concocted an email here with configured sending the email to the address that we check. And I'm going to go ahead and drag in a few attachments. Send the email. And now we'll flip over to our browser and we'll go ahead and check the email. And now if we go to the page where we expect our new page to be created under and do a refresh, we can see that indeed there is a new child page, and it has not only the page itself but all of the attachments that we sent over. If I go ahead and click on that, we just had a little content, and then we had our attachment macro so that we can see everything pop up here. And there you have it, simple configuration and simple usage for the Send Email to Confluence page add-on. Thanks so much for listening.